In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down, then click on System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Then tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are here. In order to manage them, just tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!